In front of me is UMIDIGI F1, and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select System, and go to Date and Time. And here you can either use automatic date and time, it can be network or GPS provided time, or you can turn it off and then set date and time manually by yourself. Then you can also turn off automatic time zone and select time zone from the following list. It's up to you. So at first just select the region and then time zone if available, if there is more than one. And also you can customize format of your clock. So you can either use automatic format clock, or you can switch between 24 and 12-hour format clock. And this is it. This is how you can customize date and time in your device. And then whenever you want to go back to automatic setup, just mark automatic everywhere. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.